Are you noticing certain symptoms that might indicate you're carrying a baby boy? Let's explore the signs together. While guessing or predicting the sex of the baby through symptoms can be fun, they should not be taken seriously due to a lack of scientific evidence. Here, we list down some of the common symptoms that people commonly believe are signs of having a boy. Let us explore the myths that can make guessing the sex of the baby fun. 1. Less morning sickness. It is said that when pregnant with a girl, the morning sickness is at its worst. If your morning sickness isn't that bad, there are higher chances that you're having a baby boy. This is because in cases of baby girls, there are higher hormone levels which cause more vomiting. When you are not experiencing morning sickness or nausea, it is a sign that you are carrying a baby boy. 2. Heart rate. If the heart of the baby is beating slower than 140 beats per minute, it indicates that you're carrying a baby boy. During the first trimester, all babies are supposed to have a heart rate of over 140 beats per minute. But statistics have it that baby girls usually have an average heart rate of 151 beats per minute. As the pregnancy progresses, the heart rate slows down, but if it slows down to under 140 beats per minute after the first trimester, it means that it's a boy. 3. Skin and hair condition. Good skin health with blemish and pimple-free skin are signs you are pregnant with a boy, whereas a baby girl borrows the mother's beauty, deteriorating her skin. The mother will also have longer and lustrous hair in case she's carrying a boy. 4. Food cravings. If you crave for sour or salty foods, you are more likely to have a boy. 5. Tummy positioning. Carrying low is one of the signs you are having a baby boy. 6. Mood changes. You are not prone to mood swings if you are carrying a boy, but you will be if you are pregnant with a girl. 7. Urine color. Another way of finding out whether it's a boy is by your urine color. Of course, it is urine that determines your pregnancy, and apparently, folklore has it that the urine color can even predict the gender of the baby. Women carrying a baby boy are said to have a darker urine color than normal. 8. Breast size. When you carry a baby boy, your right breast is bigger than the left one. 9. Cold hands and feet. If you're having cold hands and feet, it's an indicator that you are having a boy. Women expecting a boy tend to feel chilly and generally feel cold. However, icy cold feet and hands can also be due to cold climate and even poor blood circulation if you stay put in one position. Try to move around for a while to see if your body temperature changes. If your hands and feet continue to be cold, your baby boy is telling you that he's inside. And if you feel it's weird, put on those shoes and see your doctor. 10. Weight gain. When you carry a baby boy, the extra pounds are mostly visible at the stomach. But when you are carrying a girl, the weight is distributed all over the body, including the face. 11. Sleeping positions. Sleeping is a luxury during pregnancy, and sleep deprivation is not uncommon. If you prefer sleeping on a particular side almost every time, it has something to do with the gender of the baby. It is said that women who prefer sleeping on the left side are more likely to bear a baby boy. 12. Your pregnancy line. When you're pregnant, there's a dark line that runs down your belly. This line is also known as the linea nigra. It is said that if this line is a bit crooked, it indicates that you're having a boy. It is also said that if this line goes all the way to your rib cage, it means that you're having a boy. In conclusion, these signs could indicate you're carrying a baby boy, but remember, every pregnancy is unique. Sex prediction methods are only for fun and do not replace medical examination. We believe in gender equality and we do not support sex determination. Stay tuned for more updates and information on your journey to motherhood.